So I'm Cameron Sanders. I had a concentration in land management, and after I left APU, I got my master's in Washington State and worked for about a decade with the National Park Service. Recently though, I've moved to working with Fatback Bikes as both mechanic, engineer, and brand ambassador, or program manager. It was great. I grew up out of St. Louis and I came to Alaska for the active learning experience. I'd never been west of Missouri until I left 3 days after I graduated high school with a backpack and not even an apartment. The hands-on learning both gave me hard skills that allowed me to not only work in a professional manner in the careers that I pursued, but also to just have a lifestyle has been really rewarding on and increasing my happiness level. But then also a lot of leadership skill development is sourced by doing the outdoor pursuits. Obviously, I learned a lot in the courses that I took, both the humanities and some of the hard sciences. I've used statistics that I took with Roman Dial a lot over the years that coincided with my outdoor studies degree. But really learning in the field, being able to both study and then keep a professional demeanor for weeks on end has accumulated into just kind of the program manager that I would become later in my careers. Couple of things. One would be the individual rapport you have with the educators here and the faculty is unparalleled compared to most other universities and various places you can learn out there. So having that one-on-one experience is really important, especially in a place where there's so much active hands-on learning. For someone like me who came from the Midwest, I needed to have a lot of the hands-on with the professors actively in the field, keep myself safe, but then to develop skills that would progress throughout my careers.